With just one small change in care, an ordinary Anthurium can continuously produce buds and bloom all year round. And the best part is anyone can do it, even beginners. In this video, I'll share the exact care routine I personally use. Simple and practical, yet delivering clear and noticeable results over time. You don't need expensive fertilizers or complicated techniques, just the right care method. And your Anthurium will bud more consistently, bloom longer, and grow healthier every day. To care for my Anthurium today, I'm using fresh tomatoes. A simple, easy-to-find ingredient that naturally supports healthier plant growth. I use a knife to finely cut the tomatoes, increasing surface contact so nutrients are released more evenly and absorbed more effectively by the roots. This method is simple and straightforward, yet, when done correctly, it helps the plant grow steadily. Next, I use garlic as a supportive step in the care routine. I take 3 cloves and chop them with the skin on, since the skin still contains beneficial natural compounds for the root zone. This method helps control harmful fungi and bacteria, keeping the growing environment clean and stable, which supports strong root development and steady growth over time. Which country are you watching from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and share our love for plants with people from all around the world. After finishing the chopping, I gently place the garlic and tomatoes into a clean glass jar, helping preserve their quality and keep the process safe and consistent. The third ingredient I use is rice, a familiar ingredient that provides beneficial nutrients for plants, especially during root recovery and development. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into the same glass jar containing the tomatoes and garlic. Then pour in about 1 liter of boiling water and stir gently so the rice is evenly exposed to the water. I let the mixture soak for about 1 hour, giving enough time for nutrients from the rice to gradually dissolve into the water, forming a usable solution. Using boiling water helps extract starch, B group, vitamins, iron, and certain minerals from the rice bran, while also keeping the mixture cleaner and limiting unwanted microorganisms, making it safer for the roots. Now, I'll do a general check of the Anthurium before moving on to the next care steps. Looking closely, I notice that the leaves are growing very densely, and there are also several leaves that are dry and discolored. When leaves grow too close together, air circulation becomes limited and light cannot reach evenly, while dry and discolored leaves no longer photosynthesize effectively. If left untreated, these leaves can slow down the growth of healthy parts and create favorable conditions for fungal issues and pests, especially in humid environments. That's why removing overcrowded leaves along with dry and discolored ones is a small but very important step, helping the plant breathe better, stay healthier, and be ready to absorb the nutrients we're about to provide. After the tomato, garlic, and rice mixture has been soaked for about 1 hour, I give it a gentle stir to evenly distribute the nutrients. Next, I strain out all the solids, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid, ensuring the solution is clean and safe for the roots. This filtering step prevents residue from clogging the roots and reduces the risk of fungal growth, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Finally, I add about 500 milliliters of room temperature water and gently stir to blend the solution evenly, making it mild, stable, and non-shocking for the plant, especially suitable for Anthurium. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad. Soak it in the diluted tomato, garlic, and rice solution, and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is not just a basic cleaning step, but a form of direct leaf care that removes dust, bacteria, and tiny insects from the leaf surface. When the leaves are clean, the stomata function more efficiently, allowing the plant to breathe better and improve photosynthesis, supporting steadier growth. The tomato, garlic, and rice solution provides natural compounds such as vitamins, minerals, and mild antibacterial agents, which can penetrate the leaf cuticle. As a result, the leaves become cleaner and shinier, with a deeper green color, while also strengthening the plant's natural resistance. In particular, the natural compounds in garlic help gently repel pests, especially aphids and leaf fungi, which are common in humid environments. Regularly wiping the leaves with this natural solution keeps the plant cleaner and healthier, while making the foliage brighter and more even, enhancing the overall aesthetic value of Anthurium in your living space. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch languages in the video settings for a more convenient viewing experience. Step 2. Misting the nutrient solution over the entire plant. After finishing the leaf wiping, I pour the diluted tomato, garlic, and rice solution into a spray bottle. Then mist the entire Anthurium, including the leaves, stems, and the surface roots in the growing medium. Even misting allows the plant to absorb nutrients more completely, not only through the roots, but also directly through the leaves. The tomato, garlic, and rice solution provides vitamins, minerals, and mild bioactive compounds, supporting direct micronutrient absorption through the leaves and promoting balanced growth. Natural compounds in garlic can gently suppress bacteria and fungi on the leaf surface, helping reduce the risk of leaf spots, leaf rot, and pests such as aphids. When the solution is evenly misted, nutrients are distributed to multiple parts of the plant, especially new shoots and growing tips, helping stimulate new leaf growth. With this care method, the Anthurium is nourished, not only from the roots, but also cared for externally, helping it maintain a fresh and vibrant appearance. Step 3. After finishing the misting, I water the diluted tomato, garlic, and rice solution directly onto the entire growing medium of the Anthurium, allowing it to soak evenly around the root zone. This solution provides essential nutrients for the roots, with rice supplying starch and B group vitamins, while tomatoes and garlic contribute minerals and mild, bioactive compounds that support healthier root growth. Even watering helps the roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, while also improving the structure of the growing medium, making it looser and better aerated. With healthy roots, the Anthurium can grow more steadily, produce new deep green leaves, and develop more sustainably over time. Next, I will soak the Anthurium pot in this solution for about 10 minutes, allowing the roots more time to fully absorb the nutrients. After soaking the plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently remove it and place it in an area with diffused light. This is soft, indirect natural light, ideally filtered shade, which helps the plant recover without heat stress. Step 4. I wipe away any remaining water on the leaves to protect them and prevent disease. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth and gently wipe the entire leaf surface. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from collecting in leaf joints, which reduces the risk of fungal growth, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid conditions. With dry leaf surfaces, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, breathe naturally, and avoid watermarks or white residue that can reduce visual appeal. After wiping, I place the plant in a spot with diffused light and gentle airflow, allowing the leaves to dry naturally, keeping the plant fresh, healthy, and stable after care. With just simple ingredients like tomatoes, garlic, and rice, we can create a completely natural plant care method at home, without chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques. With just a little time and care, the plant will respond with healthy green leaves, vibrant blooms, and long-lasting vitality. Anthurium is not only a beautiful plant, but also a symbol of resilience and good fortune. Thank you for spending your time with me in today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support more natural and plant-friendly care tips. See you in the next video.